Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Notion for School using a totally free, professionally designed student template. By the end of this video, you'll have an organized digital workspace tailored just for your studies. And best of all, it'll look polished. No design skills required. Let's get started right away. We're going to make use of the School Life template, which is free and available inside Notion. Templates are a fantastic shortcut because they come with ready-made layouts that are developed by pros. This not only saves you time, but also helps you keep everything structured right from the start. Think of it as getting a brand new binder with dividers, tabs, and pockets, rather than starting with an empty notebook. You can always tweak and personalize it later to match your style and needs. To find this template, take a look at the top left corner of your Notion dashboard. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Go ahead and click that. This brings up more options within Notion, just like opening a menu in your favorite app to reveal all the hidden features. Sometimes people miss this step because the drop-down isn't obvious, but it's an important gateway to all Notion templates. Next, select Browse Templates. This opens up a gallery of templates for all sorts of uses: work, life, hobbies, but today we're focused on school. In the search bar or among the categories, look up School Life. You'll see a few different school templates, each with its own layout and vibe. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the one that feels right for you. If you're a college student with multiple classes, a template that emphasizes schedules and assignments might suit you best. If you prefer tracking projects and exams, there's likely a version for that too. Once you've found the School Life template you like, click Add. Notion will automatically generate your workspace based on the template's structure. This may take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. What you're seeing now is a streamlined hub where you can quickly access your courses, assignments, deadlines, and notes, all beautifully arranged with professional formatting. Now, it's time to make this workspace truly yours. Start by adding your own credentials, things like the names of your classes, your student email, schedules, or professor contacts. This customization is important because it transforms the template from a generic shell into a living document that fits your exact needs. You can also upload creative elements, like your own profile photo, inspirational images, or simple color changes to match your school colors. Feel free to tweak the columns, rename pages, or add new sections. Personalizing each part will help you feel more connected to your digital study hub, and it makes the whole experience more enjoyable. Remember, don't worry if you don't get everything perfect on the first try. Notion lets you adjust and refine as you go, and that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've set up a powerful Notion workspace for your school life, leveraging a template that looks great and keeps you organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your own tips for using Notion as a student. And don't forget to subscribe for more free tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.